Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode, I'm going to guide you through how to turn on power saving mode in Merge Gardens. To enable power saving mode in Merge Garden is super easy. First of all, launch open the Merge Garden game on your device. After you're inside the main game section, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, you will see the Power Save option. Tap on it and make sure that it is turned on. Once you see the Turn On option in Power Saving mode, you will notice that animation may be simplified and some effects may be reduced. This is normal and helps save battery. And that's how you successfully turn on Power Saving mode in Merge Gardens. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.